Hi property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Mansfield, Ocho, Rios, St. Anne, Jamaica, and we will be looking at this lovely 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms townhouse that is for sale for only $325,000 US. This property is approximately 2,500 square feet of living space. We have an amazing view and we are in a gated community. So we are going to go inside and we are going to take in this lovely listing. But before we do, I want to thank Duncan of Remax Elite for allowing us to view his beautiful property. And I want to thank you property viewers for liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and for leaving us the comments that you're going to leave us below. Let's go on the inside. Guys, before we head inside, I want to show you the exterior of this unit. So right here we have our carport, and as you can see, it can fit a vehicle there. We have additional space where we can park additional vehicles. So right to the left, we have additional parking space, and if you look behind, we have extensive parking space as well. I must point out this wooden feature that we have on both sides of the driveway. It's really nice. And over here we have this space where we can utilize it as our planter box, plant some beautiful flowers there. Here we also have a designated space for our cylinder for our gas stove users. So now we're going to head inside. Here we have these steps and we have our stainless steel and the glass rails on both sides of our steps. And right here, you get an amazing view of the beautiful Caribbean Sea. It's lovely. And we get that from our front porch. So now we're going to go inside. Guys, we have to pay some attention to this solid wood door. It is a dark stained wooden door and it is majestic, really lovely entryway. So right here, upon entering to our right, we have our laundry area. Inside here, you can easily fit your washing machine and your dryer. We have our wash tub and we have shelves on the wall, so we can utilize those for storage. Additionally, we have these built-ins that gives us the opportunity to maximize on storage. We have shelves inside. We also have racks. We have additional storage space above. Here we have the pipings for your washing machine. Okay, so now we're going to head to our kitchen. We have quartz countertops inside here with dark stained wooden cabinetry. We have upper and lower cabinets. We have a lot of space and it goes all the way back. Ton load of space, guys. Additionally, we have our drawers down here and additional storage. Here we have our double sinks. While you're doing your dishes here, you can enjoy the beautiful views that we have ahead of us. You have a really magnificent view of the sea. Additionally, we have cabinets to this side. We have the space for our refrigerator, and we also have space over there for our stove. Now, leaving from our kitchen, we have this space that you may utilize as your dining area. It's a very good space to utilize for that, and you can fit a 10-seater table here. Right off this space, we have our living area, and as you can see, we have these sliding doors. You get the opportunity to let the outside in with these doors. It's quite open, it's bright, and it's windy. Now, right off our living space, we have our back patio, and you will get the opportunity to enjoy some peace and quiet around here. I want to show you something, property viewers. Now, I said earlier that this property is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property. However, there is potential to add another bedroom to this unit. So this space, you may choose to convert it to a bedroom and a bathroom unit, right? So the potentials are endless. You may choose to keep it as is, or you have the opportunity to add another bedroom here. And you still will have a lot of space in your backyard. All right. Now, I want to show you a unit that is next door that capitalizes on the possibility of adding another bedroom. So right here is the space that we looked at. It's similar to the space that we looked at next door. However, this unit utilizes space to add an additional bedroom. So this unit is a 3-bedroom unit, right? While next door we have a 2-bedroom unit. But as I said before, if you want to, you may add another bedroom. So guys, as you can see, we have a nice sized backyard here. As you can see, we have some zaza grass on the ground, and you see that the wooden feature continue even to the backyard. So here in this complex, currently there are 6 units. Only this property is available for sale. The others are already gone. So if you are interested in this property, I encourage you to contact the realtor. So if you take a look over here, you will see additional land space. Now, here you will have the development of additional units as well as amenities such as a pool and other entertainment spaces. Now let's head back inside. On the floor, you will see that we have porcelain matte finish floor tiles, and this continues throughout the unit. Before we head upstairs, I want to show you this storage space that we have beneath our stairs. And here is where we have our half bath. In here we have our toilet, our vanity, and on it we have our quartz countertop. Let us all head upstairs, guys. As you can see, we have these natural wooden stairs, and it's accented by this wooden finished rail. So as you can see, we have the matte finished porcelain floor tiles on this level as well. And we're going to be looking at our first bedroom. So here is bedroom number 1. We have this huge window that gives us a view of our backyard. We have really high ceilings with exposed beams, and it's very cool inside here and light. Here we have our closet, and it is nicely tucked behind these sliding doors. We also have our ensuite. In here we have really high ceilings once again, and we have our really lovely quartz countertop with multiple drawers for storage. We have our toilet and our glass enclosure shower stall. And this is the secondary bedroom ensuite. Now we're heading to the primary bedroom, and we just cross this area. We get a lovely view of our dining area and the kitchen. From here, we have this really nice frame glass feature there that allows a lot of light to come inside the house. And here we have our primary bedroom suite. Upon entering our bedroom, you realize that we have the vaulted ceilings inside here. We have the matte finish porcelain floor tiles. And now we're heading to our closet, which is a walk-in closet. We have a lot of space inside here. We have shelves and we have racks. Now we're heading to our ensuite bathroom. We have double sink vanity with a lot of drawers for storage. We have this window, and it really gives us a nice view of the sea. We have our toilets nicely tucked away in this corner, and we have our glass enclosure shower stall. We have our niche, and we have a bench. Nice. And again, a lovely view of the sea. Now let me show you the highlight of this unit. So now we're back in the primary bedroom and we're heading to our balcony. Property viewers, this is it. This is the highlight of our townhouse. And it is all because of the view that we have ahead of us. Imagine waking up to this, enjoying your morning coffee. We are in a gated community, so we have privacy, we have security, and we have really lovely neighbors. Let us head back inside. Okay, property viewers, let me remind you about this property. This is a 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom townhouse for sale. It is on the market for only $325,000 US. If you're interested in this property, you may contact the listing agent, Andrew Duncan. Thank you, Andrew, for having us today. Your listing is absolutely beautiful. Property viewers, please remember to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next property tour. Bye.